Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a closet clean out and declutter. I don't have a big closet space, but I keep ordering more clothes. So y'all see the issue here? I have so much packed in here, and a lot of this stuff I don't wear anymore, but I have a really hard time letting clothes go for some reason. So I'm more focused on the clothes and not really anything else that's in my closet, because I did just kind of reorganize that. And when I reorganized it, I did pull a bunch of my winter clothing and fall clothing out and put it in a tote that's at the bottom of my closet. So what's in here now is stuff that I would generally wear this time of year, but because I have been getting so many new things, yeah, it's just packed to the brim. I keep running out of hangers, so I keep having to either get rid of stuff or buy new hangers, and I should be getting rid of stuff as opposed to buying the hangers, but I am who I am. So today I'm hoping to get this situated, get everything in order, and everything look good. Now, with that being said, here is an overview, which you can see. I think the best way to do this is to pull everything out of my closet and go through it. But I also need to show y'all the other side of this. So in my last clean and organized video, I did the two areas in my room that I have the hardest time keeping clean, which is my desk, which I'm not going to show y'all because, yeah. And then my dresser, which I will show y'all, and it is probably worse than it was the last time. So I am going to show y'all that, because I'm going to take everything that is supposed to be in my closet and put it on the bed with everything I'm taking out of the closet. So let me show y'all that, and we'll get started. I just have this light set up because it is pretty late in the evening here. But this is what this has looked like for a while, for a couple weeks. So I have to get all this stuff over. I also have stuff over here on our dryer from last weekend. We usually do laundry on the weekends, and I was just in such an unorganized mood that I just left everything in here. Well, not everything. You saw some of it is in my room. So we are going to take this pile back to my bedroom. So super quickly, I'm going to get everything that's supposed to go in these in there, and everything that's supposed to go in my closet on my bed. That way I can start getting things done.
Cheer you up.
As I'm looking at stuff in my closet, it's not looking very hopeful because I don't want to get rid of anything.
Never on your good days, I wasn't worth that much. You told me I was special, but not enough to make you stay. I guess you couldn't settle with somebody like me. My self-esteem has reached a new all-time low.
So these are just all of the tops and dresses, probably not even all the dresses, because I have some on the other side of my closet. So I think we'll go through this first, and then we will pull the rest of it out.
At least you accomplished something, yeah. Before you, I was doing good on my own. If only I just hadn't been so wrong. How can I have been so stupid, so naive? Wish I did, but little did I know. Why have I been wasting all my energy? Wish I did, but little did I know that you were gonna chase me, get me, leave me just to move on. That I was gonna like you, love you, need you, just to end up alone. How can I have been so stupid, so naive? Wish I did, but little did I know. Can't forget goodbye. Yeah, the sound that woke me up. A text at 7:45, saying we we're done. If I could laugh now, I would laugh about it good, but it's gonna take time. I need to cry you out. Oh, yeah. My self-esteem has reached a new all-time low. At least you accomplished something, yeah. Before you, I was doing good on my own. If only I just hadn't been so wrong. No, 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 no. How can I have been so stupid, so naive? Wish I did, but little did I know. Why have I been wasting all my energy? Wish I did, but little did I know that you were gonna chase me, get me, leave me just to move on. That I was gonna like you, love you, need you just to end up alone. How can I have been so stupid, so naive? Wish I did, but little did I know.
You're sleeping with someone new, and I'm in New York for the first time. I hate this weather, but I like the view. It makes me think of new beginnings. Here's to new beginnings. I can't sleep alone, 'cause if I do, I'll think of you. The nights are so long, wondering if you miss me too. I'm losing myself in the city sounds. For a while I'm fine, but as soon as it gets quiet, I know I'm screwed. Oh, I can hear my own heart breaking. Do you hear the sound of my heart breaking over you? You said
Okay, so I'm not doing well here. I'm getting rid of stuff. I only have this small pile of stuff that I'm actually donating, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. This is a pile of stuff that I'm going to put in my winter tote if it'll fit. It's already kind of full. These I'm going to put with my other tank tops because I forget that I have them because they're hanging up in the back of my closet. So I'm going to put those where they're a little bit better. And I think I'm going to put this in my winter one as well. I haven't decided yet. I actually haven't worn even some of these dresses out. All the other dresses that I put in my closet, put back in my closet, I've worn at least once, and I will continue to wear them during the summer. So yes, let's move on to the other side of my closet, which is pants, shorts, skirts, my Halara dresses, and swimsuits.
you was just a friend, and I remember thinking the worst at first, but you made me think it was in my head. Yeah, you just said that I was crazy. I thought that I was crazy. I can't sleep alone, 'cause if I do, I'll think of you. The nights are so long, wondering if you miss me too. I'm losing myself in the city sounds. For a while I'm fine, but as soon as it gets quiet, I know I'm screwed. Ooh, I can hear my own heart breaking. Hear my heart break. Do you hear the sound of my heart breaking over you? Oh, I can hear my own heart breaking.
So this little thing that I got from Walmart, I actually really love. I was trying to find something to hold my shorter skirts and like my biker type shorts that I wear under dresses without taking up too much space in my closet. And this actually has worked out really well. I've had it for a while now. I have on here a pair of like shorts that came with a Halara dress that I wear under pretty much every single dress now. And then my Halara skirt. These are just like shapewear body shorts. This is another Halara skirt, and this is a faux leather skirt that I got from Bloom Chic. I also actually have room for one more thing on here. But yeah, this takes up such little space as to compared if I had these hung up in my closet like I do on my other shorts, which these type shorts that I wear, I usually just hang sideways on a hanger like this. And once you have multiple pairs of like denim shorts or even shorts like this, it takes up a lot of room. So I really like this. So yeah, I'm gonna hang up the rest of the stuff that was kind of on my dryer, and we are gonna get everything back in the closet because we're almost finished.
I can hear my own heart breaking. Do you hear the sound of my heart breaking over you?
I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up cause I just wanna see the light.
This is everything I'm getting rid of. These are two things from my last Shein haul that I'm just still not quite sure about. This I think for sure I'll get rid of, but the dress I'm still unsure. But for sure all of this stuff right here. I got rid of more pants than I thought I would. These shorts I got from Old Navy, and I bought the same exact style in a blue denim. Same size, everything. Blue denim fits me perfect. These fit me tight, so I went back and got a size up and they fit me fine. I'm guessing it's just black denim is different. But this skirt, which I'm super sad about because I ordered it from Bloom Chic, and I had this like 90s the craft envision vibe in my head with like boots, like a white top, and it doesn't fit. And Bloom Chic was just not a good website for me. Like, it was worse than Shein. It's the same type of thing as Shein, but it's all like plus size, but their sizing is so off. Like, I ordered a 3X and it was too big, so I ordered this in a 2X and it's too small, it's too tight, so I just didn't order anything else. I got some jeans in here that I just don't wear anymore because these are from Lane Bryant. These I actually have had for years. They're high-waisted, but I have a couple pairs of jeans that I got from Walmart that I just go for all the time now. I don't even wear these. Plus these capris I got from Lane Bryant like a while ago. I don't wear capris anymore. I've kind of got back into the skinny jean phase of my life. So yeah, those, some like work pants that didn't ever fit me, some work shirts and a dress. Now, unfortunately, I still haven't done laundry this weekend, so not all of this obviously goes in my closet. This looks really full and bad. Okay, that doesn't look so bad. So unfortunately there is still some stuff that has to go in the closet after I wash them, but this looks so much better. I have so much more space now. So I do know I didn't get rid of a lot, and a lot of stuff I just kind of shifted around, but now I have a lot of room. And back here are my swimsuits. I didn't get rid of any of my swimsuits because I like them all. And then there's my Halara dresses, then my regular dresses, and then these are my work pants moving into my jeans and my shorts, and then of course this thing I was showing y'all. And then right here I just have a group of my like company work shirts, which we're not going to look at those. And then I do color code my closet. So this is everything, and it does go all the way back here, and I keep just my t-shirts in the back here just because I don't reach for these every day like I do all of this stuff, since this is my work. These are my work clothes. Although it may not look like a lot, it is a lot. So I'm actually very surprised at how much I did get rid of, because I wasn't even expecting to get rid of that. Sneak peek at my messy desk again, right? But yeah, I got rid of a good amount of stuff, and I'm really happy with myself and glad I did this. Okay, so it's been a couple days since the last part, but I just wanted to show y'all how it looks with everything in there. So I did my laundry yesterday. I just got it all hung up. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, so I didn't set up any lighting for this quick little snip, so I'm just using my flash. This is what it looks like, and yes, it does look fuller because obviously I put more stuff in, but what's taking up the most space, like I said, are these, like how I'm having to fold my shorts. I'm sure how I fold my pants does not help. And then I have like these my cardigans and stuff for work. Everything is organized, everything is in here, and everything fits. It fits so much better than it did before. And these are all the extra hangers that I have, which was pretty much like a whole new pack of hangers, which all the hangers with these gold handles are from Walmart. They're Better Homes and Garden brand, and they were out of them, like out of all the black velvet hangers one night when I went. So I got just like a 10 pack of these from Target, which are pretty much the same. It's just the little hanger part is black. But yes, this is everything hung up, and while it is kind of full, it is a lot better. I think I did make a lot of progress, especially looking at the amount of hangers I have now. I do wish I got rid of more and I didn't just like move stuff into winter clothing, but it is what it is, because during the winter time, that is stuff that I wear a lot. Like, I didn't think I was the type of person that shifted wardrobe in winter and spring and summer, but I do, and I realized that about myself and realized that I can't keep it all at once. My arm is getting tired. So, yeah, I'm really glad I did this. It's been on my to-do list for a while, and I've just looked at how much I have and how much I have trouble getting rid of my clothes, and I just did not want to do this because it just seems so overwhelming to me, and I didn't know how to do it. That looks better. Top of my dresser is great. I just need to get all this donation stuff out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know this was kind of random and not something that I ever thought I would do, because clothes have never been a thing for me. But recently I have been more into buying and purchasing clothing. So with that comes stuff like this. And unfortunately, the house we're in is a very old house, so we just don't have the closet space. Like, this is the master and that's the size of my closet. So it does suck. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel before you leave. I don't think I have anything else to say, so I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye.